Do you want to build real-world solutions using Dynamics 365 and Power Platform the right way? I'm excited to invite you to my live, hands-on, and advanced level training on Dynamics 365 and Power Platform.
In this live training, I'll help you move from basic knowledge to real-world implementation.
You will learn advanced Dataverse concepts and configurations, low-code, less-code, Power Apps development platform, enterprise-grade automations using Power Automate, advanced Power Pages with complex customizations, Copilot Studio with AI Copilots, Power BI Advanced Reporting and Dashboard, AI Builder, Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement CE and its configurations and customizations. You will learn native integrations with Microsoft apps and third-party integration and Azure integrations, WebAPIs. If you want to book your seat for the upcoming live training sessions, please connect now, call, or email given on screen.